Hi, this is Mr. Smith, just going over how to draw a supply and demand curve, and this goes along with basically algebra that you would have learned about your first year of taking that particular course. Remember that we always have an x and y variable, so there are always two that go together. In this case, it would be quantity and price. And whenever we draw the axes like this, we of course can just label this with a Q for quantity and this with a P for price. And then whenever we have two variables that go together, we're going to end up plotting them somewhere on this curve. So let's say we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so let's say that you have a quantity of 5, and let's say that you have a price of 1. And so 5 is the quantity and 1 is the price, and so you will plot a point right there. And what you'll eventually see is after you plot all your points for demand, you'll end up with a line that slopes this way. And the reason why this happens is because obviously when the price is really high, the quantity is going to be really low. So maybe your price is $5, you're only going to sell 1 unit of this particular product. And then the opposite is true. Whenever the price is really low, it's only $1, you're going to sell 5 units. And then you'll plot supply, and you'll discover that it slopes the opposite direction. And the reason why that is because of the law of supply. Whenever the price is low, not that many people are going to want to sell it. They're going to say, oh, I can only get $1 for this product. I'm not going to sell that. So very few people are going to sell. And then the opposite is true. If you can get a lot of money for it, $5 a unit, then all of a sudden lots of people are going to want to sell it. So the supply is going to increase. And so that's why the supply curve slopes from bottom left, to top right. And then the equilibrium is where you find the best price available in the marketplace.